basically what we have tools that is giving us the possibility to create some sort of gamification. Now, when we speak about gamification, there are several topics that we could approach, because gamification could be a wheel of fortune, gamification could draw, gamification could be a mission, could mystery box, and so on. So what did we do with Novus? With Novus, we did two main development at the moment that are called mission and rewards. As you can see here on Software Demo, we have some example. Those are the widgets that players will see on the website. We have the widget mission and we have the widget rewards. Now, if I will log in with one of the users, I will have also an additional widget that is this one, level, where I have the experience point. And here I have this symbol that is the Novus symbol, let's call it like this, with a number that are called Novus coin. Now, as you can see from logged, in the mission, in the widget mission, we have my mission, new mission, and completed. From here, it's where the player will have the possibility to choose which mission they want to participate with. Each mission is giving back some experience point and some N coin, Novus coin. Inside the mission details, you can write, like, for example, for free beta description of the mission, and you have the requirements in order to fulfill the mission. For example, this mission that we have here, daily streak, it's to log in 5 times, and these 5 times cannot be consecutive because now, like we will see in the back office, there will be a cooldown period, and a total stake on sport of 50. So basically, in order to complete this mission, we have to fulfill those two requirements. Accept mission, and as you can see now, in my mission, we see the mission appears here, and we have also the progress. At the moment, it's 0-2, but when we will start to progress, the progression bar here will show the progress of the mission itself. When we will complete it, you will see that this item is marked with a check, with a green check. At the same time, you have also the expiration date, because you have 7 days to complete the mission. Now, let's suppose that I was completed the mission. Let's say I was going to win some coins and some experience. Now, this is a first version of level, but the idea here is that with the level, we will build a proper loyalty system. So what we are going to do is to collect these points, define the levels, but we are not giving something at the moment on the level. The second stage will give us the possibility also to manage the levels like a loyalty system. So we have this widget that could be optional or not, but at the same time, it's a precondition for what comes next in our gamification tools. Let's suppose, as I was mentioning, that we completed the mission. We won some Novus coin, we won some experience point. And what can I do with this experience point? I can buy some rewards. For example, we have here bronze chest, silver chest, and gold chest. But you could create as many chests you want. You could create also, you could decide also the logic how the chest must pay out the winnings, because we have the possibility to create chest where the price is guaranteed. This means that, for example, if I will buy one of these, a gold chest will guarantee a winning and it costs 100 coin. Or you can create mystery box, for example, a bronze chest with a low chance of winning. These are the example that we did on the website just to show you possibilities. But for example, if you want to call them all mystery box 1, 2, 3, 4, it's up to you how in the back office that we will see later how to decide the percentage of successful assignment of rewards. Let's say I want to buy one chest bronze. I bought this bronze chest and I want to open it to see what I'm winning. There is a small animation that show nothing. I didn't win nothing in this. Now, I was buying already a gold chest in the past. This one gives me a higher chance to win something. Let's see what I will win. Okay, you found a prize, 3 free bet, congratulations, close. So we should get immediately the free bet in our account. Let's see if this is the case. Yeah, you see that I have 3 free bets that are
Yeah.
assigned to me. Basically, the assignment of the rewards, it's actually working. We can assign free bets, we can assign bonus money. We are finalizing the assignment of free rounds as well. So basically, those are the assignment that you get from the rewards from the chest that you are buying here. As I was mentioning, we have to make sure that the clients will understand that completing a mission is not giving immediately a prize, but it's giving you coins based on the settings that you will do when you create the mission, in order for the player to buy the rewards they want. Because if the player finish a mission and with this mission will collect, let's say, 5 coins, but still he would like to buy a gold chest instead of a bronze one, he can still continue to play, he can still continue to finish mission, and then he could buy this gold chest that will have the possibilities to will have an higher possibilities to win something rather than the bronze one. So, okay, now we go on the backend part. Tools, missions. And as you can see here, you have mission, chest, and levels. You can create the mission that we saw before on the front. You can put the name, you can put the minimum level requirements, because what you can do is also based on the level of the player, you can create different mission where the player can participate only if it's that specific level. And this could be something that maybe could give a little bit of differentiation, because mission for a high skilled player with a higher level could give more coins than or vice versa than player that are just registering. Then here we have the experience point that the player will complete when will get when completes the mission, and then the Novus coin, which are this one here. So in the end, with the Novus coin, they can buy whatever they want in the chest. Time limits the number of days to complete. Here, as I was mentioning, there is the description that they will see in the details of the mission. And then here we have requirement actions that the player must fulfill in order to complete the mission. Now, what do we have here? We have the login. As I was mentioning, there is also a cooldown period, for example, to avoid this sequential login. So you could put, I don't know, you can put 2 logins, but yeah, 1 per day. To make 1 per day, you have to calculate per minutes, 24 times 60, 1440, yeah, 400 minutes, let's say. Then you can put 1, or you can put, and here you can decide if it's just login, or you can put also ticket placement. And then we have, this is the total stake. Then we have the deposit, for example, deposit 10 to complete the mission. Okay. Now, once the mission is completed, you can, when you will click save, and this will go automatically online. This is the part of the mission. I think it's pretty much clear, let's say. We have this other option that is Casino Game Launch that will count how many games you will open at the moment. So this other stuff, but for the moment it counts how many games the player actually. We go to the chest. Basically, we have, here it's called mission name, but it's actually the name of the chest. The minimum level still, like for the mission, we may have chest that only VIP player with a higher level could open, the price that they have to pay, and of course the currency, because you can have on the same website different currencies, so you can give them different, let's say, chest per currency. Description, of course, like we saw. And now here we go to the price part, where you can see you have type, campaign, amount, fallback type, fallback campaign, and the weight. Why do we have all these parameters, and why do we have nothing? As I was mentioning to you, we can also have a mystery box where we are not actually giving nothing to the player. So the weight of nothing could be 100%, because in the end, the player will always win nothing. At the same time, for example, you can add the bonus, because as I said, at the moment we have just bonus and also free rounds. In this chest, I will put the bonus. Here you have the list of the bonus that are created on the website. Yeah, let's say for bonus and free bet, you must, of course, create the bonus and the free bet before that will be used by this, because in the end, this is like an automatic assignment. So still you need to create the pool where the assignment will get the information of the bonus. Count amount, how much bonus I will give out of the pool that we created. And here, as you can see, we have fallback type. Why? because if the player would have already have a bonus, you know that we cannot assign two bonus at the same time. So what we do is we will select a free bet, and with this free bet, we will say, okay, if you cannot assign bonus, then we will assign free bet belonging to this. And here, pay attention to these percentages. If I will put 20, look how the percentage is going down, because basically, based on the weight that you will put, you see that we will have, the system will calculate the chance to win nothing or assign the bonus, let's say. So here it's 50-50. So you can play also with the percentages to say, okay, I want that the player will win more bonus rather than winning nothing, or vice versa. You say you can put 10 here, it will be 90% no, 10% of player will win something. Basically, this is how it works to create the chest. Now, we go to levels. Levels were this part that we were mentioning before. You can create the reward setting, for example, from level 1 to level 2, like the experience multiplier.
So basically, that's experience that you need to go to the next level. And then there is a multiplier, of course. Otherwise, it will be always 100. So each level, it will be increased. The more experience you need to get to the next one is the multiplier of the rewards. So basically, when you finish a mission, what you win is coins and experience. What we thought is that the higher level you are, the more you get from the reward. So people are pushed to get a higher level. So if you put 1, let's say, you are getting exactly what's written in there. So if you win 10 coins and 10 experience, you will get that. But if you are, for example, a level between 10 and 20, you will get 1.2 of those rewards. So 10 coins will become 12 for you, but only for you. And the experience as well. If it's 10, it will become 12 for you. Yeah. So people are more, pushed to be a higher level to get even more rewards.
Yeah. And this is optional, let's say. It's not you have to do it. But in order to keep the player a little bit more engaged by saying, okay, if I will complete more mission, I will get an higher multiplier, then, for them will be nicer to get a little bit more from what they are getting from the mission. Because like I could be level... 10, my multiplier is 10, then I will get this time 10, and this time 10. So not just 20, but I will get 200. This is it. As you can see, you have them activated on Soft2Go demo. You get this website to play around, to create your own mission, to create your own bonus. As you can see, those are pretty much straightforward.